Hey everyone! Looking to keep your hedges in top shape without breaking a sweat? Let's get into the BLACK+DECKER BH350FF 22-inch electric hedge trimmer and see if it's the right tool for your yard maintenance needs. Let's start off with its features. 22-inch dual-action blade. Equipped with a 22-inch dual-action hardened steel blade, this trimmer is designed to reduce vibration, providing a smoother trimming experience. 4-amp motor. The 4-amp motor delivers sufficient power to trim branches up to 3/4 inch thick, making it suitable for various hedge types. Lightweight design. Weighing in at a manageable weight, it's designed to be easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Full wraparound front handle. The full wraparound front handle offers greater comfort and control while cutting, allowing for versatile trimming angles. Built-in cord retention features a cord retention system to prevent accidental unplugging during operation, ensuring uninterrupted trimming sessions. Each product has their pros and cons, and let's start off with pros. Effective cutting performance. Users have reported that the trimmer handles well and cuts thicker bushes effectively. Ease of use. The trimmer is noted for being easy to use and set up, making it accessible for users of varying experience levels. Lightweight. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Now it's time for the cons. Durability concerns. Some users have reported that the trimmer may not be durable and has a short usable life. Cord design. Being a corded model, it requires access to a power outlet and management of the extension cord during use, which some may find inconvenient. Customers have left their feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. Considering its features, user feedback, and performance, I'd rate the BLACK+DECKER BET350FF 22-inch electric hedge trimmer 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's a solid choice for homeowners seeking an efficient and user-friendly tool for regular hedge maintenance, though potential buyers should be mindful of the durability concerns noted by some users. If you're in the market for a reliable hedge trimmer that offers good performance and ease of use, the BLACK+DECKER BH350FF is worth considering. However, if you have particularly demanding trimming tasks or prefer the freedom of cordless operation, you might want to explore other options. Would you consider adding this hedge trimmer to your gardening toolkit? Let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and gardening tips.